Welcome back to Watch Winners Weekly. I'm your hostess with the mostest, the host with the most, Cal Knight from Watch Trading Academy, here to break down another watch case study and how our winner made money trading watches, starting with little to no capital. Let's take a deep dive into the details. Weekly Watch Winners, where I actually break down case studies of guys who are normal guys who got into watch trading through learning the ropes in the process and buying and selling and trading some of the most amazing pieces on planet Earth, even if they didn't start out with a lot of capital, and sharing some of that knowledge and those tips with you guys yourself so you can potentially take advantage as well. This week, we're gonna tap into a dual case study from the man, Zon L, a Watch Trading Academy member who actually traded not one, but two Panerai Luminor PAM 88 GMT models. Now, this is a great entry-level timepiece for anyone who knows Panerai. They've been around for quite some time and have a heritage closely aligned with Rolex, but they are notorious for being the military-grade luxury watch that not only is functional and a tool watch, but very beautiful and now has held value much so in the market as long as you know which watches you're buying, which models to buy, and which ones to avoid due to the fact that there's really no demand anymore, and a lot of that has lost wind and power with the die-hard collectors known as the Paneristi. So the Panerai GMT 88 is a great starter piece. I like this watch as a piece that you can enjoy. Retail value of it is about $7,500, but if you're looking for one in the pre-owned market, you can pick these up anywhere from, I'd say, about $3 to $4K at a good price, and that's what Zon did here. So he followed the information we share in Watch Trading Academy, and he got the first PAM 88 for a price of $3,200. So that's a really good deal on one that was pretty much complete set. And as you can see in the case study, essentially what he did was bought that from someone on Facebook Marketplace for $3,200. Now, when he went to sell the watch, he listed it in a couple different places: eBay, Chrono24, Facebook Marketplace, to his private network, and found out that the watch was actually running slightly fast day to day. So he could have brought it to a watch technician, gotten it serviced, repaired, and done an overhaul, but found out it was going to be approximately $500 to $1,000 and take 6 weeks' time to fully service. Now that varies depending on who your watchmaker is, but 6 weeks nowadays is not unheard of. So instead, what he decided to do is disclaim in the listings that this is a watch that was running a little fast day to day outside of COSC parameters, and sell it for a little bit lower than he originally intended, because he originally intended on selling it for high $4,000 range. Ended up selling it for around $4,000 flat and making a nice healthy $800 profit, and that only took him about 12 days, so under 2 weeks, for investing $3,200 of his money. That was a watch that he attained by trading into it from an Omega Seamaster 300mm diver that he had gotten online. After that, he saw how it worked and decided to go back out and get another Panerai 88 Luminor GMT, and this time he picked it up at a little higher of a price than he originally got the first one for, because he saw the potential of how much more profit was left in the trade, which I commend him for, and he found out that this one was more complete and in better condition and didn't need the service. So by picking it up at $3,750, he was able to buy that watch, market it out to someone in the retail world on eBay, but one of the fellow traders in WTA, Watch Trading Academy, saw that he was selling it and had a client for it on the other end. This is the power of networks, which I always share with everyone that I coach and anyone who is out there doing this themselves. Your private network is phenomenal, guys, and you should really be tapping into it. So instead of selling it for what he originally intended to at about $5,000, he negotiated a deal with this trusted counterparty in Watch Trading Academy, a fellow member, and sold it for $4,400. So a nice little profit on that, right? He made $600 in 3 days on an investment of $3,750, made a new connection that he could continue to do business with and continue to grow his network with and expand upon as a new customer base. And that person, who is a Watch Trading Academy member, sold it to their retail buyer for $5,200 and made margin as well. This is the gift that keeps on giving. This is a way that Zon is our weekly winner and made $1,400 in less than 3 weeks, starting with not that much capital. And you guys can do the same thing. I'm gonna prove it to you week after week, and our breakdowns of how these trades occur where the deals happen and how these guys are making these case studies happen on a consistent basis daily. This was an awesome trade. Good job, Zon. You're our weekly winner. And we have many, many more to share with you guys. If you're interested in learning more about these, the breakdowns of these trades, and more tips, like, share, subscribe below. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming your way. And I can't wait to see you posting up your own case studies as well. Take care.